Good morning kay Study Buddy. Sa video ito, pag-aaralan natin or i-discuss natin ang network model maximal flow technique. So, gagamit tayo ng POM-QM. So, yung previous discussion natin or yung video natin, so we solved the maximal flow technique manual computation. So this time, we will solve the maximal flow technique using POM-QM application. Okay? So, the maximal flow technique seeks to determine the maximum quantity that can go from one to another in a network at a given time. So, yung ating problem, Hermie is the industrial engineer of Manila Water Company, and she is tasked to ensure the maximum amount of water flows from pump A to pump G. She was able to determine the capacity of the outflow and inflow of water from one pump to another in liters per second. So, I suggest matutunan mo muna or mapag-aralan mo muna ang manual computation bago mo subukan ang POM-QM. Sa ganon, mas maintindihan mo yung mga i-input natin ng mga data sa POM-QM. Okay? So, open na natin ang ating POM-QM application software. So, kung wala ka pang POM-QM application, so download mo siya. So, free lang ang POM-QM software. Okay? Since ang ating topic is networks or network models, so pag kinlik mo yan, mag-expand yan. So, nandito yung tatlong technique: minimum spanning tree, shortest route or shortest route, maximal flow technique. So, natin yan, yung maximal flow. Ayan. Okay? So, pwede nating ilagay na title is si Manila Water. So, depende sa iyo yan kung ano yung gusto mong ilagay na title. Okay. Manila Water. Then, number of branches. So, paano natin malalaman kung ilang branches? Okay. So, sa problem natin, ito yung table. Meron tayong 7 nodes. And meron tayong mga branches or arc from A o pump A to pump B. So, total niyan is 10 branches. So, A to B, A to D, to F to G. And ang kanyang outflow is 8 and ang kanyang inflow is 2. So, respectively, sa branch 10, F to G, 6 ang kanyang outflow and 3 ang kanyang inflow. Okay. So, nilagyan ko na rin ng equivalent yung ating mga node A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So, nilagyan ko siya ng equivalent na 1 equivalent to A, 2 sa B, and 7 sa G. Kasi later on, mag-i-input tayo ng data. Papaliwanag ko kung bakit ko nilagay yan. Para mas madali nating i-input yung mga numbers. So, para hindi na tayo magbilang ng A, B, C, D, E, F, G kung pang ilan siya. Okay, so meron tayong 10 branches. Okay? So, may 10 branches tayo. Ilagay natin 10 branches. Okay? So, pwede tayong mamili. Branch 1, branch 2, branch 3. Kung ilan yung branch mo. So, A, B, C, small or capital, A, B, C, or by number. Nasa iyo yan kung ano yung pipiliin mo. So, ako, okay na ako dito sa branch 1, branch 2. Then, okay. Yan. So, nag-appear na yung ating branch 1 to 10. Okay. So, makikita natin dito sa screen natin, may start node tayo. So, ito yung branch 1 natin. So, sa ating data, from A to B. So, kaya ako nilagay yung equivalent nung A is 1, 2 is B. So, pag ang nilagay natin na character is letter, so, hindi siya tinatanggap ng ating POM. Kumbaga, A is an illegal character of the set. So, ang tinatanggap niya lang na character, number, numeric. Yung A, equivalent yan is 1. So 1 or A to B or 1 to 2. Yung capacity, yan yung ating outflow. And yung ating reverse capacity, yan naman yung inflow natin. Then input lang natin yung branch 2 hanggang branch 10. Equivalent ng letter N ng mga letter natin. Okay? So sa branch 2 with a capacity of 4 and 6. Sa branch 3 with a capacity of 3 and inflow is 9. Branch 4 natin is B to E or 2, 5. Sa branch 5, C to D, 9, 0. Sa branch 6, C to F, 7 ang kanyang capacity and inflow is 1. Branch 7, branch 8, branch 9, and branch 10 natin is F to G or 6 to 7 with a outflow of 6 and inflow is 3. So after nating ma-input yan, click lang natin yung solve icon or yung solve dito sa may upper part. So magkukompute na siya. Okay. So kung makikita nyo, yung ating maximal flow or maximal network flow is 8. Or check natin sa ating manual computation kung parehas ba yung ating kinalabasan, ang ating sagot sa manual computation natin. So yung ating manual computation, ang final answer natin ay 8 ang total capacity, liter per seconds. So same tayo. And kung makikita nyo, yung source natin, ito yung ating start, which is yung letter A. Ang ating sink, ito yung A to G, yung ating node. Okay? So titingnan natin sa iteration. So kung expand natin yan, so yung path 1 natin 1, 4, 6, 7. So parehas tayo ng A, D, F, G with a capacity of 4. Yung path 2 natin A, B, C, F, E, G with a flow of 2 or yung capacity natin sa manual. Yung path 3 natin 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, and yung ating path 4 1, 2, 5, 6, and 7 with a total of 8. So yung cumulative flow nya 4 plus 2, 6 plus 1, 7 plus 1, 8. Okay? So yan po. So I hope nakatulong ang video ito kung paano mag-input ng ating data sa ating POMQM. So I suggest nga, kailangan alam mo muna how to solve manually para mas maintindihan mo kung paano mag-input sa ating POMQM. So that's all. Thank you very much.